Fresh from announcing in June that she was turning professional, former world under-20 200-meter champion Brianna Lyston is now under the guidance of Florida-based sprint guru Lance Brauman. Keon Rayner has the details.
Confirmation of the development came from Brianna Lyston's agent Dwight Thomas, who said the 20-year-old Jamaican has been working with Brauman's Pure Athletics training group since she left college in the summer.
Brianna is in the States. She will stay here currently in the States and continue her career under the tutelage and the management of Lance Brauman. Whoever one probably know from past athlete that he has had great success with, Veronica Campbell, Tyson Day, the list goes on, Steve Mullins, to some extent, Warren Weir to some extent trained under tutelage myself. And now we know allows been by his tutelage, winning, multiple world titles and Olympic gold medal last year. So she's in good hands. She's in a good place and a great environment for, as I would say, for her to grow.
Lyston, who recently concluded her collegiate career with Louisiana State University, LSU, formally notified the program of her decision to forego her remaining NCAA eligibility in a letter dated May 4, 2025. The 2022 World Under-20 champion has battled injuries throughout the 2024 and 2025 season. However, Thomas, himself a former World Championship sprint relay gold medalist, says Lyston has been working with massage therapist Sean Kettle and is now over those injury issues.
Actually, what she did was, which is a great plan by Coach Brauman, she continued to train all the way till September 1st. So she was training. She didn't compete, but she was training. Because he wanted her to feel like she was training when everybody else was training. That's running on the circuit, including people that ran in Tokyo. And when their training kind of finished or closed, when their season closed, she felt like she's on track to start back training later this month.
Lyston's move to Brauman's camp is seen as a major step in positioning the young sprinter to make a smooth transition to the professional circuit and eventually challenge the world's best. As first reported by TVJ Sports on Saturday, former Lacovia High School standout Sabrina Dockery, who recently turned professional after signing with Adidas, will also be joining the Pure Athletics group. Keon Rayner reporting for TVJ Sports.